Meaning of festivity.
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 Festivity. Festivity refers to a celebration or a joyful event marked by a spirit of merriment and happiness. This term is often used to describe the atmosphere of a party, festival, or holiday, where people come together to enjoy good food, music, dance, and various other forms of entertainment. The result of a festivity is a sense of camaraderie and goodwill among people, as they come together to celebrate an occasion or tradition. It is a time to forget differences and enjoy the common joys of life with family, friends, and community.